Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, I am Cecilia teacher from Toddledom. Today we are going to learn a subject of GK. In GK, we learn a new chapter of good manners. Okay? You all know what are good manners, children? Yes. Teacher is going to show you some example and short story about good manners. Yes, children, are you all ready to listen a story? Yes. Before that, let me tell you few points about good manners. Yes, children, when we meet someone, always you must say hi and wish them and greet them. Okay, that is good manners. Yes, okay, we should always respect our elders. If we hurt someone, we should say sorry. What will you say? Sorry. Yes. If mummy or daddy gives you a gift, what will you say? You should say thank you. What will you say? Thank you. Yes. And if we want something, what will you say? Please. Can you please give me your pencil? Okay. Please is a magical words. Okay. These are magical words. Now teacher is going to show you a story with a few example of magical words. Okay. Here in this story there is a Katie and Jack. Let's see how they use the magical words in this story. Okay. Let's listen to the story. Cookie, please. Katie watched her brother eating a cookie. Can I have a cookie too? Katie asked her mother. What's the magic word? Katie's mother asked. I don't know. Katie tried to reach the jar. Oh, why did he get one? Katie pointed to her brother. He was polite and said the magic word. Her mom explained to her. Katie asked her brother, what's the magic word? But her brother was too busy chewing to answer. I really want a cookie, Katie said impatiently. Her mom shook her head. She put the jar away. Oh, so sad. Katie watched her brother eating his cookie. Can you please tell me the magic word? Katie asked. Katie's brother said, please is the magic word. Katie jumped up and down. Please, can I have one? Her mom gave her a cookie. Now, what do you say? Thank you, Mummy. Katie gave her mom a hug. Jack's shopping list. Jack was helping his dad shop for groceries. They ordered cheese. The grocer handed it to Jack. What do you say? Jack's dad asked. Thank you, Jack replied. Next, they ordered some fresh pasta from the deli. Thank you, said Jack when the clerk gave him the package. They went to the farmer's market and ordered apples. Thank you, said Jack when the farmer gave him the bag. What is all this food up for? Jack asked his dad, bought some tomato and gave them to Jack. It's a surprise, his dad said. Jack and his dad walked home carrying their grocery bag. Thank you, his mom said. When Jack delivered the groceries, she sent them out of the kitchen to make the surprise. The surprise was cheesy tomato, pasta, and baked apples. Jack and his dad knew just what to say. Thank you. Patty's first day of school. Let's see what happens with her. Patty walked into the classroom on her first day of school. She did not know anybody. She sat quietly at the desk. At recess, Patty saw another girl crying. Patty asked her, "What's wrong?" I am new. I don't have any friends, she said. Patty stuck out her hand. I am Patty. I am Beth, she replied. Patty and Beth skipped rope until recess was over. Yes, very nice. After school, Patty and Beth walked home together. Patty told her mom, "This is my new friend Beth." Patty and Beth played on the swings until supper time. Finally, it was time for Beth to go home. "Oh, I am really glad we are friends," Beth said. Beth gave Patty a hug. "We are going to be the best friends." They both giggled. Ha 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 ha. Penny and Mary, two friends. Penny, the fox, bounced her favorite ball. Mary, the pig, asked, "Can I play too?" "It's my ball," said Penny. As she bounced the ball, her friend Mary grabbed the ball and ran. "Bring back my ball," Penny yelled. "I want to play too." Mary bounced the ball. Penny ran after her. Mary hid the ball behind her back. "Please give it back to me," Penny told Mary. Mary handed Penny back the ball. "Can we take turns playing with the ball?" Mary asked. "But it's my ball," replied Penny. "I don't want to play with you anymore," Mary said, walking away. Penny ran after her. "Wait, wait. Let's share the ball." Penny bounced it to Mary. Mary bounced it back and said, "Sharing is fun." Tammy's day out. Tammy went on an early morning boat ride. "Good morning," she said to the captain. Tammy went to the restaurant for lunch. "Good afternoon," she said to the waitress. Tammy went to the beach in the afternoon. "Good afternoon," she said to the lifeguard. Very good. After dinner, Tammy went to the movie theater. "Good evening," she said to the ticket man. Tammy ordered some popcorn. "Thank you," she said to the lady. Tammy came home after the movie. "Did you have fun today?" her parents asked. "I did," Tammy replied as she hugged her mom. "Good night," she said to her mom and dad. Now singing time. Birds don't seem to understand what they are asking for. I think they forgot to use a magic word. Do you remember what that word is? Please. When I need something, I say please. Help me, please. Please, please, please. When I need something, I say please. Help me, please. Please, please, please. It seems Monkey did not like other friends sitting on a tree. How can I keenly apologize, Monkey? Sorry. Sorry is a word that we say when we do something wrong. Let's sing for sorry. I say sorry when I do wrong. Sorry, sorry, sorry. I say sorry. I say sorry when I do wrong. Sorry, sorry, sorry. I say sorry. When I need something, I say please. Please, please, please. Help me, please. When you give something, I say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I say thank you. When I do wrong, I say sorry. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Bye-bye. Hope you all enjoyed this story and song. Yes, children. Yes, always you must follow good manners. Only then you can be a good children, isn't it? Yes, always respect elders. Wish them. Okay, children? Sorry. Please. Thank you. May I? Excuse me. These are few magical words. Okay, children? Please always follow good manners. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.